Ever felt unprepared for your CMA exam and wished you could push it back? Today, we'll cover the top reasons for rescheduling, the best time to reschedule, step-by-step instructions for the process, and answer some frequently asked questions, including a little-known tip that could save you money. Let's start with valid reasons to reschedule your CMA exam. Feeling unprepared or needing more study time, illness or medical emergencies, unexpected work or family commitments, personal crises, major life changes affecting your focus, realizing your scheduled date conflicts with a busy work period, or preferring to take the exam after a busy season. Remember, it's okay to reschedule if you truly need to. The key is being honest with yourself and acting early. By the way, if you don't know me yet, I am Nathan Liao, founder of CMA Exam Academy and a certified management accountant with over 2 decades of experience. I help accounting and finance professionals pass the CMA exam in 16 weeks and on their first attempt. Watch until the end to discover how to download my CMA exam cheat sheet for free. Here's a crucial tip. Aim to reschedule at least 1 month before your exam date. Because if you reschedule within 30 days, you'll have to pay a $50 fee to Prometric. Also, you can't simply reschedule to the next available date. You need to complete the process by the registration deadline for the new testing window you want, which comes with a $75 fee. For example, if your exam is on June 15th, try to reschedule no later than May 15th. This gives you time to go through the proper channels and more date options. Always check the IMA's exam testing windows calendar for deadlines. Have you thought of rescheduling your CMA exam or have done it successfully? Share your thoughts in the comments and share your experience with the rest of us. Now, let's walk through the rescheduling process. Step 1, contact Prometric at 1-800-479-1293. Number 2, provide your IMA ID and exam booking confirmation number. Number 3, request to reschedule and choose a new date. Number 4, pay any applicable fees. And 5, receive a new authorization number. You'll need this for the exam. Number 6, follow up with an email to the IMA. Remember, to avoid the $50 fee, complete these steps more than 31 days before your current exam date. If you want to pass your exam on the first try, download my CMA exam cheat sheet in PDF format. It includes the 9 best strategies to ace your exam. The download link is in the description. Let's address some commonly asked questions. Number 1, are there penalties for rescheduling? The answer is yes, $50 if within 30 days of your exam date. Number 2, can I reschedule within 72 hours of my exam? No, you'll forfeit your exam fees if you cancel within 72 hours. Number 3, will I get a refund if I cancel? The entrance fee is non-refundable, but the exam fee is refundable within 30 days of payment, minus a $25 processing fee. Number 4, can I reschedule to a different window? Yes, but there's a fee and you must request this within 5 days of your scheduled appointment. Number 5, can I transfer fees from one exam part to another? The short answer is no. Fees are only applicable to the exam part they were paid for. The best strategy is to avoid rescheduling altogether. Here are my top tips. Number 1, use a structured prep course like our CMA Exam Academy 16-week Accelerator course. Number 2, schedule your exam 2 months out for a buffer time. Number 3, take time off work around your exam date. Number 4, inform family and friends of your exam date for support. Number 5, create a dedicated study space. And number 6, stick to a consistent study schedule. Our 16-week Accelerator course outlines what you need to study each week and provides accountability and unlimited coaching support by me and my team. We guarantee you'll feel 100% certain you'll pass on test day. Which exam part are you currently preparing for? Share it in the comments, I would love to know. To recap, while rescheduling is sometimes necessary, it's best avoided. If you must reschedule, do it at least 31 days before your exam to avoid fees. Follow the proper procedure through Prometric and inform the IMA. Most importantly, invest in proper preparation to avoid the need for rescheduling. To pass your exam on the first attempt, watch this next video to discover how to avoid the mistakes 50% of candidates make. I'll see you there.